So today I want to talk about affiliate marketing. This is something that you can add as a revenue stream to your business, and it's a great way to make passive income. Now, while I'm not a huge fan of the term passive income because it kind of implies that you don't have to work very hard for it, there is still some initial setup with any form of passive income, but affiliate marketing is one of the more passive ways to make money. It doesn't require you to be trading time for money. You can basically create something or set something up and keep regularly earning money from it. And that is kind of the definition of passive income. It's that you don't have to be trading your time all the time. People like to describe it as making money while you sleep. You don't have to be there actively doing something in order to earn the money. Again, that does make it sound a lot like easy money, which I'm not saying that it is, but affiliate marketing is a great form of passive income that you can easily add to your business. I'm going to be talking about what affiliate marketing is and some tips to help you get started. Hi, my name is Anna. I am a designer and online educator at byrosenna.co.uk, and I share content here on YouTube all about things like business, marketing, freelancing, productivity, all sorts of things. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're there. So as I said, affiliate marketing is technically a form of passive income, and it's one of the more passive forms of revenue that you can make in your business. So when you sign up to become an affiliate or a referrer from your brand, what that basically enables you to do is start earning a commission from when you refer people to their products or services. So kind of like a salesperson who might work on commission. If you go out and promote a brand's product and that person does end up buying it, you end up making a small percentage cut of that final sale. However, unlike a salesperson who might usually be tied into a contract, you don't have any actual obligation to promote this brand's products or services. It's just that if you do, you get a bit of a kickback once you've made the sale. Now, the way it works is that you'll sign up to become an affiliate or a partner or a referrer or however they phrase it, and you'll be given a specific affiliate link or a referral link to use to link people to that brand's product or service. And then when you use that link, it then tracks who is looking at those products, who purchases those products, so that it can track it back and credit that purchase to you so that you can earn your commission. Affiliate marketing is great because it benefits the brand because they're getting sales where they might not have been getting sales before. They are potentially reaching an audience that they might not have reached without you. And obviously it's great for you because you can work with products and services that you possibly would have been recommending and referring people to anyway, but now you're actually getting paid to do it. And there's loads of different affiliate programs out there, and different businesses will structure them in different ways. Each one has different benefits as well. So some affiliate programs will give you a percentage commission of that sale, but some affiliate programs will do that and offer the person that you're referring a specific discount or something like that. So signing up to an affiliate program for your favorite brands, your favorite software companies, or your favorite products, for example, is a great way to earn a little bit of extra cash if you want to just refer customers or colleagues or friends those products so that you can earn a little bit of money back. But you can also make that work a little bit harder for you and actually use an audience that you're growing potentially on different platforms, whether you're growing an audience on Instagram, for example, or you're growing an audience on Pinterest. You can harness the audience that you already have in these places and make money from them by referring and recommending these products and services to them as well as just your clients or your friends or your colleagues. If you have some kind of audience or some kind of community somewhere, you can benefit from affiliate marketing because you can start earning money from recommending things pretty much straight away. There's loads of different companies that offer an affiliate program, and I would suggest that you just type into Google the name of the company that you're wanting to recommend and then the words affiliate program or something like that after it. Search it in Google, see what comes up, because more often than not, these companies do have affiliate programs that you just may not have known about. One of the biggest ones and one of the easiest ones to get started with is Amazon Associates. It basically allows you to become an affiliate for any product on Amazon. So you can link people to your recommended products or your favorite products, your favorite books, for example, on Amazon using your special affiliate link. and you can earn a commission on any of those sales. And there's no barrier to entry with getting set up on Amazon Associates. You just set up an account. It's really easy. You don't have to have a minimum number of followers or a minimum number of website visitors, for example. Some companies do require you to have certain minimums, but Amazon doesn't. You can just get signed up and start referring people straight away. So the commission that you'll make on Amazon products is usually fairly small, usually about 1 to 5% on these products. That can quickly add up if you're recommending products to a lot of people and a lot of people are buying them. Lots of software companies in particular, they tend to do affiliate programs. So I'm an affiliate for Flowdesk, which is my email marketing software that I recommend to everyone. It's great. I've got several YouTube videos all about it. They have a really great affiliate scheme and I earn hundreds of pounds every month just from being an affiliate and recommending Flowdesk to people. But there's also affiliate schemes for Tailwind, which helps with Pinterest scheduling, with Squarespace, which is a website building software. The different companies offer it. I've actually just built an affiliate program for my online courses. So if you are a student of any of my courses, whether that's my Grow with Pinterest course, Email Marketing with Flowdesk, Instagram Story Success, Blogging with Purpose, or my whole content marketing collection bundle of courses. If you're a student of any of those, you now can also get access to my affiliate program, which means that you can start earning up to 20% of a commission if you refer people to those courses and they buy them. So it's a really nice way for me to kind of reward students who have enjoyed my courses and they want to share about the courses to other people. They can earn 20% of any sales they make with their affiliate links. And also if people are looking at my courses and they're interested in buying them, then knowing that there's an affiliate program there is quite comforting because they can see the potential that they could quite easily earn the cost of that course back through affiliate marketing if they wanted to. So let's say that you buy my course Grow with Pinterest, which is £99. If you then signed up for the affiliate program, once you're a student, you could then start earning 20% of any other courses that you sell. If one person buys, that means you get £19.80. So then you can see that with just a few more sales coming recommended from you, you've then made the cost of that course back already. And the earning potential of affiliate marketing in general is really limitless. It just depends how much effort you want to put into creating content and going out and finding people to recommend the product or service to. You put in that bit of hard work, you can make a decent income from it. Like I said, I earn hundreds of pounds every month just from using Flowdesk's affiliate scheme. And there are full-time bloggers and content creators who have affiliate marketing as one of their main ways of earning money. So some of my best tips if you did want to get started with affiliate marketing is, first of all, go and search around for the brands that you love and find yourself recommending to people every day and see if they've got affiliate programs for their service or their product. Next, something really easy you can do is to add a shop page or a resources page to your website where you can list all of the products and services that you use and you love using your affiliate links so that people can view all of your tools and follow through on your recommendations if they want to, and then you can earn a commission through your shop or tools or resources page, whatever you want to call it. You could also start writing blog posts or creating YouTube videos, reviewing that product or that service, and again using your affiliate link to then promote it to people for them to go and check it out and potentially buy. You could show behind the scenes of the product or service, you could do a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it, or even just link people to it as a way to get more information or resources on a specific topic as well. If you've got an email list, you definitely want to be sending it out to them as well. You do need to be careful because there are some rules, especially with the Amazon Associates. You're not allowed to use affiliate links in your email newsletter or in email marketing, but for other companies, that's absolutely fine. You can send an email newsletter all about the product or service, or just feature it in a small segment of your newsletter or in your automated emails that get sent out. Of course, you can talk about the product or service on social media and use your affiliate links in your link in bio in Instagram, for example. What I also like to do, because I am a website designer, often I do find that my clients will need things like email marketing software or a privacy policy for their website. And I have companies that I refer for both of those things that I'm an affiliate of. So then what I do is in my client info packs and in my project management system, I actually include links to those, and I say, okay, if you do want to get more resources on how to set up email marketing, or if you do want to buy a professional privacy policy, then here's the link. You can go and use this company that I recommend, and that will be my affiliate link. So then I earn a commission on if they do end up going with that service provider. And I just want to finish up with one quick tip, that if you are going to do any of those things in promoting your affiliate links, you just remember that you always need to declare that the link you're using is an affiliate link. It's part of the Advertising Standards Agency's rules, and it's really, really important that you do that. It's just to make sure that you're being transparent about what you're getting a commission from, or what you're potentially being incentivized to talk about and recommend to people. So no matter where you're sharing your affiliate link, always put a little star, or just let people know that it is an affiliate link, and you will be earning a little bit of kickback or a commission from when they purchase through your link. So I hope that was helpful, and if you've got any other questions about affiliate marketing, please do leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.